Welcome to the Hot and Spicy. That's the beer of choice. Dinger, that's the first one we'll use. I don't think I've tried that before. And the old Kronbach, I've had that before, German, lovely. So they've just come out the fridge. Is my head above that lamp? Right, let's do it properly. Here we go. So as you can see in the thumbnail there, hopefully, pork ribs, peri peri. Well, you would have seen me buy these, I think. And then some fajitas with, now what I've done with these is, ignore the flags, made in Wales. There's lettuce, the fajitas themselves, I heated them up, lettuce, then I cooked some Carolina Reaper chicken from Iceland. I did about 4 or 5 of them, and I took them off the bone, shredded them, they're in there so they'll be hot. There's some of these these are sweet peppers. I wanted bell peppers but they didn't have any, well they did but they looked awful, so I just got some sweet peppers, chili. Been seasoned, salt and pepper, and there's a salsa sauce in there, plus a little sprinkling of ghost pepper. And on these have got peri peri. They've been seasoned with salt, and halfway through cooking I sprinkled some ghost pepper on them as well, so they should be a good kick to them. And also some of this. I enjoyed that. But first, don't mess with Texas. Right, here we go. A very happy weekend to you. Any Americans watching, I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving on Thursday. What should we go for first? We'll go for one of these, I think. I've only put these in just to hold them together, really. So it'll all go wrong now. But I've remembered to close them. Can you believe it? Here we go, let's give it a try. Well, I can taste the ghost pepper. Mouth's not big enough. Thank you. There's the Reaper. Welcome, I thought you were going to show up then. So we got ghost pepper straight away. Now the Reaper. Not too hot, but it's nice, it'll build, I think. Anyway, look at the head on that. Be sacked in the pub. Cheers, good health to you. Oh, it takes you into another dimension. That is lovely. Right, let's give one of these a go. This should burn. There's something quite, I don't know, satisfying eating off the bone. I've said it before. Now, I know there's probably, there it is. We could have ghost pepper overload here. Holy. There's probably people out there, when they see you eating like this with your hands or off the bone, and thinking, oh, damn disgusting that is. Eating like a pig, you beast. But I'm afraid nothing like it. I mean, look at that. Could you have a bite of that now? What, minus the heat, somebody said? Oh, apparently, I think Jess, cheers Jess, he's thinking, pouring beer sideways isn't right, apparently. You're supposed to do it like that, where it froths up. It's not so carbonated then inside you. It does all its thing in there, and then when you drink it, ooh, you can sink a few all night, baby. Oh, hang on. Right. Louisiana hot sauce. Now this is not, it's got a slight kick to it on my palate, but it's not hot, but the taste of it, it's worth a flight to the States, I tell you, to try there. I'd have loved to have been there on Thursday with all these Thanksgiving and sort of meals. Here we go. It's lovely sauce. It's a bit thin though, so you've got to be careful. Oh, combine that. Then you got ghost pepper. God knows where the peri is. We have him. Oh, that's lovely. You having anything, well, I know some of you won't be having anything spicy, but we'll leave this open for a minute. That's lovely. It's building up to a nice tingle there. I've got a few bags of the Reaper wing, sorry, in the freezer. I've got one of their, oh that's nice, scarily spicy pizzas. What else have I got? Oh, I got some Reaper pigs in blankets, and I bought them. I'm not sure if they are in Iceland then. They might be. Or one of the shops. Yeah, it must be Iceland. Carolina Reaper pigs in blankets. I'm not sure if I've had them 6 months, maybe a year now. I'll have to check. I'll have to use them actually, in case. So I'm getting that heat which is on the coating of the chicken, that Reaper heat. Ghost peppers in there, that's adding to it. Ghost peppers first, powder, and then we got the heat of the Reaper. But there's so many flavours going on, I'm not getting the Reaper taste, which is good news for me. You up to much this weekend? Sorry, you've seen me a few times, haven't you, this week, I think? Or have you? Once, maybe, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, it worked out well. Really nice. Mm. Mm. So what are you having? I've asked you. Wow. Alright, calm down. To eat and to drink. That's the powder that's going up my nose, eh? If I start sneezing, I'll cut it. Holy smoke. And drink. Here we go. Excuse me. Oh, I knew this would happen. Pathetic sneeze, isn't it? The powder went to the top of my roof of my mouth, near me nostril entrance. Oh, yeah. Yeah, drink is what we're having. I'll finish this. I was going to do rice, and that, I tell you, it's enough. Mm. Lovely. You're supposed to do these with chicken, you know, standard chicken. Excuse me, nose is going out. That's due to the not so much the heat, to that ghost pepper powder. Yeah, whatever you're doing, have a great weekend. If you're working, thanks for your service. Chicken in my teeth now. Yeah, you're meant to use normal chicken, but I thought, I know. We use about 4 of the Reaper in there, ghost pepper as well. Really nice. Go for another, oh yeah. Go for another rib. Cook them before I cut them together. You will have seen in the intro, I think, that as they're still in a sort of rack, small. Their cooking times are way out, because they said cook these for 20 minutes until they're cooked through. They'd be tough as hell. You've got to, these will cook for an hour covered. Last 20 minutes cover off, and then they could have done a little bit more for me, and then they would have just pulled off the bone. But they're lovely. Yeah. That is lovely. Mm. So heat is lovely in the mouth now. Getting a bit of everything. It's just burning. And that's for me just right. Just burning. But I'm still getting flavours, which is good. Yeah, German beer is good. I like this. I've used that first because I've not had it before. Erdinger. If I'm demolishing the name, sorry, Germany. And the Kronbacher. I think this is a... What's the strength of this? 5.3%. Because this one is 4.8, yeah, 4.8%. This. And I've also in the fridge got some, what did I get? There was an offer. Carlsberg, 18 cans for, what was it? £16 because they're getting expensive. Excuse me again. Mind you, stick some ghost pepper up your nose. Clears it out for you. Alright. This is, I'm loving this sauce. Bit of a kick to this, but nothing major. Yeah. Very caveman-like. Anyway, I don't know if this is going on, sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, that burn, man, come on. And the flavour of that. Beautiful. Thank you very much to Wes Smith, I think, from the States. Put me onto this. And I've just found an American food store in the UK. Not I can visit, online. I think it's called the American Food Store, London way. And that's where that came from, within a day or two here. Amazing, isn't it? You know, something from the States is here, ready. It's amazing. Yeah, if you follow me on Paul H Films, I'll see you in the morning for the shave. Here, I do shave, even though this is not long to go now, another week or so is it? And then this is off. But it's okay, not bothering me. You gotta watch the food though, because I forget about that. Let's make sure, sorry. Yeah, I'll see you in the morning if you follow me there. If not, have a great weekend, stay safe. Have a good laugh if you can, have a few beers. If you like spice, have something spicy. If you don't bother. I'm going to sneeze again, so I'll leave you to it. All the best, thank you very much, and bye bye.